Hey, everybody is doing awesome. Ryan Lee here, popping on here to give you your rate update so you know exactly what the rates are going to look like going into the weekend. So rates, not too bad. I mean, they're up a little bit. I'm going to be honest with you. There's some statistics coming out. Consumer price index, it wasn't too bad. The producer price index was awesome. It crushed it. However, there was a report released today. I think it was consumer confidence or something like that. I forget the name of it, but it wasn't a good report. And so it affected the markets pretty negatively. And so, yeah, that's where we're at. But wanted to pop on here, give the rate update. I'm Ryan Lee with Planet Cheapskate, independent mortgage broker in Kansas. Often imitated, never duplicated, independent mortgage broker. What do I mean by that? I don't have any sort of associations, affiliations, obligations, arrangements. You scratch my back, I scratch yours, anything like that with any real estate companies, title companies, homeowners insurance companies. I'm in one lane, going to the moon. I'm a broker, mortgage broker. My loyalty is to you and your clients, not to the lenders, not to anyone else in the transaction. I want to be a good partner to you. So that's what I mean by independent. I will always be independent, and that is that. Awesome, exciting news. Today is the day of the release of the special program. Now, keep in mind, for my referral partners, my realtor partners out there, this becomes immediately available to you as of today, as of now. To those of you who are not realtor partners, want to become a realtor partner, get a hold of me. We may be able to work something out. But anyone else, if I've never worked with you, if you're not really interested in working with me, you just want to take advantage of this program, it is something that I can get you set up with, and it will go into effect in May. For all those other things. If you're a realtor partner of mine, it goes into effect now. So here's the big reveal. So all over the United States, Wichita, Kansas is really known for one thing and one thing alone. We're known as the air capital of the world. For years and years and years, decades, multiple decades, we have been the backbone of the aviation industry. Wichita, Kansas has been crucial in producing some of the largest and most commercially used aircraft ever throughout history. In the United States, all throughout the United States, our engineers, our workers that work on these aircraft that we entrust our safety to every day when we get on, they're local legends to us. So I'm happy to announce that we will have a program that is indefinite. It will not be coming and going. It will have no expiration. It's called the Local Legends Program. And what this program does is it applies to our people in our community or people that are moving to our community who are involved in aviation. So aviation workers and veterans will be able to receive up to $737 at closing as a credit to their closing costs to offset their appraisal, however they see fit. But they will receive that credit at closing. So that's huge. That could wipe out a whole appraisal and then some. So 737, it's really, really iconic because, we produce the 737 here in Wichita. So that's the huge announcement. That is the program. If you have people out there who are in aviation, if you have people out there who are veterans, please, please, please share this. Let them know there's now a program where they can get $737 to offset their appraisal, their closing costs, whatever it sees fit. This is free money for them to offset the cost of purchasing a home. So that's an awesome program. I'm happy to announce it, and it's something that I have been working on and working on and working on for a very, very long time. So, pretty happy about that. Let's see. Rates, you know, they are what they are. They could be a lot worse, a lot worse. And I think they're actually going to start coming down. So, before I get to these rates, good luck to my realtor partners out there. If you have any showings, if you have any open houses, let me know. I'll come see you. I'm going to be working. I'm going to be in the trenches with you. I do not take weekends off. I don't take mornings off. I don't take nights off. I don't take anything in between off. I am here available for you. That's one of my things. 22 days or less closings, custom appraisal panels, which a lot of people don't understand. But once they figure that out, they're like, wow. So that's how you're getting those fast closings. We get to build our own custom appraisal panel. Third thing, 24/7 access. You call me on 4th of July, I'm going to be shooting off a firework, but I'm going to be getting your client pre-approved. Call me on Christmas, I'm going to be handing out presents, but you know what? I'm going to have you on the line. I'm going to get your clients pre-approved. So without further ado, these are my rates. Before I get into the rates, these are not rates that you can go to your friendly credit union. Can't go to your bank and get these rates. They will give you rates whatever they feel like they can get away with because they're in the business of making money. These are rates that I get by making 50 of the most competitively priced banks all over the United States compete to show us their best rates. And then when I get them, I show them to you. This is an average borrower, someone with a 700 credit score looking to borrow $250,000 to buy a house. And these are 30-day locks, and I never charge points when I'm doing my rate update. Okay. Someone can go lower than my rates. I can get you a 2% if you want, as long as you're willing to pay that. It's going to be a crazy amount that you're going to pay for that. Okay. So these are rates without points. Here we go. Conventional 6.625 with an APR of 6.914. Didn't move. That's the good news. The Govy loans, not so much. FHA 6.125 with an APR of 6.841. VA 6.125 with an APR of 6.246. USDA, I'm pretty proud of this USDA. USDA 6%. APR 6.454. I got a realtor partner who hardly ever ranks at the top. They came through clutch on that USDA. I'm like, where are you at for VA and FHA? But they're like the little engine that could. I'm so happy for them. But that's why I got my USDA to 6. So all in all, FHA, VA are up about 1/3. USDA is up about 1/4. So not a great day for rates, but it could be a lot worse considering what's going on. And I think from here, we're going to be heading down. So that's the rates. Hope you enjoyed it. I am here for you if you need it. If you need those pre-approvals, if you need any guidance, anything like that, leave a comment below. I'll help you out, whatever you're going through. Got one. I'm trying to cut down on my ums and my ahs. It's very hard to do live. But I believe that is what I got. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. Until next week. Talk to you later.